while ago, I was subscribed to the My Monthly Hero kit, which is Hero Arts, and it's a monthly stamping kit. Well worth it, by the way. I will give you the details in the video description down below. I don't want to get it wrong, so make sure you open that up on how to subscribe. So it's a stamping kit worth like double what you're paying for it, and it comes shipped at that price every month. You can stop at any time. So usually I look it up online to get the colors correct. Okay, I love it. I love organza ribbon, and I love when they package with it because you can use that again. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so cute. Look at all these. They're like little chihuahua dancing, little chihuahua girl dancing, the snake, little chihuahua guy. You can hardly see it because of the background. So let's see if we can open this up. And oh my goodness, this is what I'm talking about. They give you so many stamps in the set. I want to separate this because the background fiesta look, it's so busy that you can't see all the detail in the stamps. So I'm just trying to get the gummy off of there. There we go. Let's just do it this way and see if I can zoom in instead of holding. Oh, no, because we've got glare. Okay, let's try this. Let me put a piece of cardstock under it to accentuate it and turn it this way so you can see it. Okay, looking sharp. Let's party. There's a bird with a little sombrero. Fiesta time. Hola. Look at all these beautiful cacti and flowers. It's a cake. Happy Feliz and birthday. Cumpleaños. It's your birthday. Feel the music. Oh, cute. Oh my goodness. And there's looks like a chihuahua there with the sombrero and the little chihuahua doing the dance and the snake. I'm okay with that snake. I don't like snakes. Many thanks. Muchas gracias. That's just really cute. You're one hot mama, and there's a little hot pepper. So there are a lot of stamps in this set. And then on this side, and I have to remove this again, otherwise we won't be able to see it. I don't know. They're going to come apart. Okay, these are the dies that go with that. I'm not going to count them, but here's this big frame here, which is scalloped on two sides. It's gorgeous. And dies, for so many of them for this. Let me count them off camera here. I think I counted 20 dies. Very, very cute. So anyway, what an adorable little set. And now with the Fiesta colors, look at this. We've got some mulberry papers here in this, looks like a kind of an ocean blue. Is that folded in half, or is it just, yes, two sheets or one long one folded in half? Oh, it is a long one. There's that one. And then this purple and this kind of a lime green. Gorgeous colors. And then inks. Oh, nice. Yes, they're putting the names on the top of the ink cubes. They didn't used to do it. So we have Fiesta Red, Fiesta Teal, and Fiesta Yellow. I love it. Thank you so much, Hero Arts, for putting the names on the top of the ink cubes. Okay, look at this. It's so cute. And even this is very festive. And you can always use these as well in your card making. So cute. Share your creations using My Monthly Hero on Instagram or other Hero Arts. Very cute. Creativity in a box. Make sure you look below this video for the video description box so you can see how you can order a kit. And once these kits are gone, they're gone. You won't be able to order them. So it's limited supply. You need to get them as soon as they announce the release and what the kit is. If you subscribe, and this is the beauty of it, there's always other stamps that can, and supplies that can go with the set, and they are, they're more readily available, but just this kit is not available after it runs out. So once you get an email saying that your kit is ready to be viewed, you can go online, you can look at the kit, and before they ship it, you can add to your cart other items that you want that you might like to go with this kit. And you will not pay any additional shipping. It's all, you would pay for the extra stamps and dies, but not for the extra shipping. It comes for the same shipped price.